सर पास में लीजिएगा, केवल बोर्ड पे अंदर फोकस है एकदम सामने. So good morning student. Today we are going to learn about the morphology of flowering plants. Okay. Basically today we focus on the root system, because we bring the plants, one monocot plants I bring and one dicot plants I bring. Okay. We study about those plants. Before that we learn about the morphology. What is called morphology? Here I am writing morphology. Morpho, this what? What is the meaning of morpho? Morpho means form. Morpho means form. And logy means study. Okay? Morpho means form, study means, logy means study. So what is morphology? Morphology means study of external structure of plants. Again you listen carefully. This is the plants, this is the external structure. In external structure what we are observing? There have the leaves, there have the some flowers are arising, roots are there, stems are there. When we study about the external structure of the plants, that is known as the morphology. It is clear or not? Okay. Then, so in morphology what we read? Basically we read about the root, stem, leaves, flower, seeds, fruits. Understood? Today we focus on the root as I told. Okay? Clear? Root, you know the function of root. All of you know the function of root. You know, root just hold the plants along with the soil. It absorbs the water and minerals and send to the leaves. Okay? And there are the many more functions also. Some root store the food for the future. Some roots store the food for the future. You know the name of this root means carrot, radish. Those roots are advantageous root. Pronunciation is advantageous root. Okay? So root, I write here, root are basically three types. You read about the three types of root. One is known as the tap root. Okay? One is known as the tap root. Second one is known as the fibrous root. And third one to learn about the adventitious root. Okay, we read about the three types of root. One is tap root. Tap root, please listen. Tap root is found in the dicot plants. Tap root is found in the dicot plants. Let's study the root of the dicot plants. Please come closer, sir. देखिए, this is the root. This is the root of the dicot plants. Here you observe, this is the main root. From main root, secondary root are arise, and from secondary root, tertiary root are arise. This kinds of root system is known as the tap root. If I draw quickly, this is the main root. This is the main root, and from main root, secondary and tertiary root. Okay, this is the dicot root. Okay, in dicot plants we observe the tap root. Okay, and this is, what is this? This is the monocot plants. Okay, here you observe, is there have any main root? Is there have any primary root? Is there have any secondary root? Is there have any tertiary root? All root are equal. Okay, there have some difference. This root system is known as the tap root, and whereas this root system are known as the fibrous root. There have no primary, no secondary, and no tertiary. Okay, this is the fibrous root. Clear? And what is adventitious root? You know, some root are adapted. Some root are adapted for the future storing of the food. Okay, so please pause now. Adventitious root means when root are modified from the another function. Suppose some root are modified for storing the food, that is an adventitious root. Some root are arise and means adapted for absorbing the oxygen from the air, like Rhizophora. Okay, P. pneumatophore. In Rhizophora is the name of the plants. They are living in which area? They have the lot of salt, and in this soil contain the lot of salt. In this soil, less oxygen are there. So this root are coming outside. This is the land. Root are coming outside, and on the root there are the so many pores, and from this they take the oxygen. So this root is the advantageous root, and name of this root is known as the P. pneumatophore. Okay, name of this root is P. pneumatophore, and this is found in Rhizophora. Okay, and you also know that in banyan tree their branch are so long. Okay, and for supporting the branch, okay, pop root means from branch root are arise and come to the ground, that is the pop root. Okay, and seal root, you observe that seal root, another type of root, seal root. This is the one maize plants, Guttaka plants. Okay, from the lower nodes some root are arise and come to the ground. Okay, from lower nodes some root arise and come to the ground. This is known as the seal root. Okay, so pop root found in the banyan tree. From the branch root are arise and go to the ground. It support the long branch. Seal root arise from the lower node of bamboo and maize plants. They also supporting, and P. pneumatophore for the respiration. Okay.